study the role of audit committee in the audit process. This is the last lesson under the topic audit evaluation and reviews. We've so far covered audit assertions and how to identify relevant assertions during the audit process. We covered the subsequent events. We looked at the going concern assumption as a financial statement risk. We studied related parties. Under related parties, we looked at the risks associated with related parties, the process of identifying related parties by management, disclosure of related parties in the management representation letter and the financial statements. Another subtopic under this topic is drafting management representation letter. We also did look at the group audit, the joint audit, and the component audit. We learned how to prepare the group reporting instructions to component auditors. In subtopic number 7, we looked at the analytical reviews. In number 8, we covered evidence and testing considerations. In subtopic number 9, we looked at using the work of experts such as tax experts, valuers, lawyers, and so on. In number 10, we covered 4 areas under the company audit. The first one being the audit of financial statements. Number 2, audit of banks and non-banking institutions. Number 3, audit of general insurance companies. Number 4, we covered the audit of cooperative societies. Number 5, we did the points to consider when auditing the taxation laws. In our last session, we looked at other special audit assignments. Today is the last lesson in audit evaluation and review, which is the role of audit committee in the audit process. The audit committee candidates plays a crucial role in the audit process. It does what? It plays a crucial role in the audit process. The audit committee may have other roles, but it also has a crucial role in the audit process. It serves as a key oversight mechanism to ensure that the integrity and the effectiveness of the organization's financial reporting and auditing activities. So, what are the primary responsibilities of the audit committee in the audit process? That's what we are going to study in our today's lesson. And therefore, by the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain the role of audit committee in the audit process. We are going to study several roles. One is independence and objectivity. A role related to independence and objectivity. Now, candidates, an audit committee is a committee that is set up by the board of directors, and the members who sit on the audit committee are non-executive directors. An audit committee consists or should consist of independent directors who are not involved in the day-to-day operations of the organization. Why? Because such independence ensures that the committee can provide unbiased oversight. Such committee can challenge management's actions when necessary. So that's one important role of an audit committee: independence and objectivity. Another role that the audit committee plays in the audit process is the appointment and oversight of the external auditor. The audit committee appoints the external auditor. The audit committee also oversees the external auditor. The audit committee is responsible for the selection and the appointing of the external auditor. This committee also monitors the auditor's independence, monitors the auditor's objectivity and performance, and that includes reviewing and approving the audit engagement letter, discussing the scope of the audit, and evaluating the adequacy of audit fees. That's the second role of audit committee in the audit process. 3, financial reporting oversight. Financial reporting oversight. The audit committee reviews and provides oversight of the organization's financial reporting process. They ensure that appropriate accounting policies are followed, significant financial reporting issues are addressed, and financial statements are prepared in accordance with applicable accounting standards and regulatory requirements. That's the role of the audit committee. Number 4 is a role related to internal control and risk management. Internal control, risk management. Internal control and risk management. The audit committee assesses the effectiveness of the organization's internal control